Is there a moral code for the metaverse? Imagine you're deep inside a virtual world. You're an explorer in a vast digital city, neon lights, avatars of all shapes and sizes, endless possibilities. You can fly, you can build, you can be anyone. But then you see something unsettling. A group of avatars is bullying another player, hurling slurs, cornering them, blocking their way. You look around for a virtual police, but there's none. It hits you. In this new world, who decides what's right or wrong? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a question we're all going to face sooner or later. Is there a moral code for the metaverse? The rise of virtual worlds. Let's start with why this matters. Right now, the metaverse is growing faster than you might think. In 2023, over 400 million active users were already spending time in virtual worlds like Roblox, Fortnite, and Decentraland, Statista. By 2030, the global metaverse market could hit $936.6 billion, according to Grandview Research. That's not just games and chat rooms, it's workplaces, classrooms, and even relationships, all unfolding in virtual reality. With this shift, our moral compass needs an upgrade. What's different about the metaverse? So what makes the metaverse so ethically tricky? 3 things. 1. Anonymity. People feel less accountable when they hide behind an avatar. This can lead to harassment, fraud, and identity theft. A 2022 study from the Center for Countering Digital Hate found that 87% of users reported witnessing abuse in VR chat rooms. 2. Blurred boundaries. Is stealing a virtual sword theft? If your avatar is assaulted, is that a crime? Courts and lawmakers haven't caught up yet. 3. AI-driven worlds. Artificial intelligence can generate content and interactions that feel real. But if an AI NPC says or does something harmful, who's responsible, the coder, the company, or the user? So how do we navigate this? Let's break down a simple framework for a moral code in the metaverse. Consent. Virtual actions should have clear boundaries. Just like in real life, consent is key, especially for interactions that simulate touch, voice, or personal space. Accountability. Platforms must track and enforce behavior. Zero tolerance for harassment or exploitation should be non-negotiable. Transparency. Users should know how data is used and how AI avatars interact with them. Community governance. Think of it as a digital neighborhood watch. Giving users tools to moderate and report abuse empowers everyone. Digital empathy. Remember, there's a real person behind every avatar. Teaching empathy and digital citizenship should be a core part of these worlds. Big tech companies are experimenting with virtual moderation, AI filters, and user reporting tools. But they can't do it alone. Parents, educators, and all of us who step into VR need to set an example. Even simple actions like calling out toxic behavior or protecting vulnerable users can shape a more ethical virtual world. So, is there a moral code for the metaverse? The truth is, it's still being written by developers, by lawmakers, and by us, the users. If we want a digital future that feels safe and fair, we all have a role to play. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Do you think we need new digital laws for the metaverse, or should we rely on community norms instead? Let's start the conversation and build a better virtual future together. See you in the next video. Until then, what kind of world do you want to create in the metaverse? If you'd like, I can help you turn this into a polished video outline with visuals, B-roll ideas, and SEO tags. Want that next?